Hi, and welcome to HARLYLICHUZZ Cat Cam Corner. So, I was watching a couple of YouTube videos on the CNC channel. I was watching this gentleman's channel about a macro tool change, since I have a manual tool change on my machine. So I followed his instructions and I downloaded all the codes and stuff, and then I watched his video, and then I watched this update. So I went to the Dropbox and I downloaded this, and I downloaded the tool spindle set. You can find the link for the Dropbox in his update here. You can find it here, Dropbox, and it's on his channel, CNC4 XR7. And then there's a video here on Craig's machine shop. He's also going through the macro. But when I installed it, it didn't work as it did in the video. So after I downloaded, I put the spindle tool spindle set, you put it in your mcro folder. Then you go into the macros. I have a YouTube test macro up here. Here's where all the macros is for the Mac 3 profile. And this is my YouTube test. So I have loaded G codes, and I go to operator, VB script editor, and I open. And you see I'm in Mac 3 macros YouTube test. And I open up this one. And it's the code that it's updated from CNC XR YouTube channel. So I'll just put it in, and then we close it. And ask me to save. Yes. So I just made a little program that has a tool change in it. It's just a square, and I have to change it for drills, and then drills a couple of holes. So I press cycle start. Nothing happens. So I was like, okay. And then for view, you have to go into load screens, and you have to load this tool spindle set screen, and then you open it. I already did so. And that makes it open this little box where it says tool in spindle. So don't forget to do that. And I still did it, and nothing happens when I press cycle start. So this is kind of like typical. Whenever I do something, nothing works. And after a lot of talking to the guy that sold me my machine, eventually he said, "Oh, maybe you forgot to check a certain box. You have to click." As it turns out, you go to config, general config, and there's the tool change options here. So if you change it to auto tool changer, you have to click here. Okay, you maybe need to restart the Mac 3 if it doesn't work then. And now when I press cycle start, now it works. So if you get into trouble and the macro that you added, it doesn't work, it starts again, and it starts going to ask you for the drill. And then it goes through the program. But in this macro, it's supposed to, according to the videos, it's supposed to ask to press cycle start again. Like if you watch, let's see, this one, you go into the video. Let's see where it is. changing the tool.
Okay.
There you go. It says cycle start. It asks you to start the cycle. So it's the same in this.
This video I'm going to be going over installing the...
Let's see. Quick. No, that's good. Okay, so now when I go through the video, I missed that part. He actually shows stop spindle, wait for cycle start. So if you ever run into the same problem I have, that's where I got stuck. And that's the order to change stop the spindle, wait for cycle starts. Okay, so I will go back to my config. Okay, now config. Now try this one instead. Press OK. Let's see. Cycle start. Okay. Press cycle start off the Toolchange. Oh. And then press cycle start. Oh, cool. So, well, I saw that now. I didn't see it before. Maybe I missed it in the other videos too, from these gentlemen. But it answers my question. So if you ever have need a macro for a manual Toolchange, this is how I went about it and got stuck. And eventually, now when I looked a little bit closer, he actually shows me. So that's good. So welcome to HARLYLICHUZZ CAD/CAM Corner. I hope this clarifies a couple of errors you might run into when you install these macros, as I do. Cheers from HARLYLICHUZZ CAD/CAM Corner.